Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you an app that can rename hundreds of files at once using rules and patterns. And the app name is Bulk Rename Utility. So how you can simply download it, you have to open any of your favorite browser, and then here you can simply search for Bulk Rename Utility. Simple. Click enter. And then you're going to get this website over here called Bulk rename utility.co. So if you click on that, click on free download, click on download bulk rename utility, click on download, and as you can see the file has been downloaded. Now if you click on the folder icon, click on setup, click yes for the permission, and now you have to simply minimize all of your background tabs, check I accept the agreements, click next, 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 and install. After completing, you have to click on finish. And now if you simply selected any of your file, and then you can simply rename it in a very simple way. So if you want to know how you can simply use it, you can simply comment below. I'm going to make another dedicated video to use it properly in your computer system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.